SCHD is without a doubt one of the most loved dividend ETFs in the market. It's consistent, reliable, and has been a fan favorite for long-term investors seeking both income and stability. But here's the thing. If you're building a truly powerful portfolio, SCHD alone may not be enough. Diversification isn't just a buzzword. It's your best friend when aiming for long-term wealth. So in this video, let's look at the 4 best ETFs you can pair with SCHD for long-term growth. ETFs that complement SCHD's strengths and fill in its gaps. Now, SCHD is a dividend-focused ETF. It tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index. That means it holds high-quality U.S. companies with solid dividend histories. But what SCHD doesn't give you is exposure to small caps, international markets, or high-growth sectors like tech or innovation. And that's where the right partner ETFs come in. Let's kick things off with our first pick, VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Think of this as the ultimate base layer ETF. It gives you exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, from large caps to small and mid caps. Over 3,900 holdings in total. That's massive. VTI complements SCHD perfectly because while SCHD leans heavily into value and dividend-paying companies, VTI gives you growth, innovation, and broader diversification. For instance, SCHD has virtually no exposure to small-cap companies, while VTI includes them in its structure. Historically, small caps tend to outperform over longer periods due to their growth potential. The average annual return of VTI over the past 10 years has been around 11.5%, and its expense ratio is just 0.03%. Practically nothing. So, if you hold SCHD for dividends and value, pairing it with VTI ensures you're not missing out on the tech and growth sectors. ETF number 2, VXUS, or the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. Here's where we start stepping outside the US bubble. One of SCHD's biggest weaknesses? Zero international exposure. US companies are dominant, sure, but if you're planning for the next 10, 20, or 30 years, you want to be tapped into global growth too. That's where VXUS comes in. It includes over 7,400 international stocks, developed markets like Europe and Japan, and emerging markets like India, Brazil, and China. VXUS has had a more modest return historically, around 4 to 6% annually over the last decade. But that doesn't tell the whole story. International markets are cyclical, and with the US market already highly valued, the growth potential overseas might surprise a lot of people in the coming years. Plus, you're spreading your currency risk. If the US dollar weakens over time, your international investments actually benefit. And with an expense ratio of just 0.07%, VXUS is cost-effective too. SCHD plus VXUS equals a globally diversified income growth portfolio. Our third ETF? VUG, the Vanguard Growth ETF. Let's get one thing clear. SCHD is about value and dividends, not high-octane growth. But if you want to capture explosive upside potential from companies like Apple, Nvidia, or Amazon, you need some growth in your portfolio. That's where VUG comes in. VUG tracks the CRSPUS Large Cap Growth Index and holds companies with strong earnings growth potential. As of now, it includes big names like Microsoft, Tesla, Meta, and Alphabet. This ETF is heavy on tech, over 45% of its portfolio, and that's by design. Over the past 10 years, VUG has returned an average of nearly 14% per year, significantly outperforming SCHD's 11% range during the same timeframe. Pairing SCHD with VUG creates a balanced blend of value and growth. You've got stability from SCHD and upside potential from VUG. And if you're reinvesting those dividends from SCHD into VUG, that's a strategy a lot of savvy investors use to generate long-term compounding power. And finally, ETF number 4, JEPI, the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. Now I know what you're thinking. Why pair a dividend ETF with another income-focused ETF? Aren't they doing the same thing? Not quite. JEPI uses a unique strategy. It combines high-quality U.S. stocks with equity-linked notes, ELNs, to generate consistent monthly income. While SCHD pays quarterly dividends and yields around 3.5% as of 2025, JEPI pays monthly and yields over 7% in many cases. That makes it an excellent pairing. SCHD for growth and dividend consistency, JEPI for higher monthly cash flow. Plus, JEPI tends to be less volatile due to its covered call strategy, which softens the blow during market downturns. It's not built for explosive growth, but it's a great stabilizer in any portfolio. One way investors use GP is to reinvest those monthly payments into growth-oriented ETFs like VUG or VTI, creating a cash-generating machine that funds your future wealth. Now let's talk numbers. Let's say you have a $100,000 portfolio. You could allocate it like this: 35% SCHD for consistent dividends and U.S. value exposure, 25% VTI for total U.S. market coverage, 20% VXUS for international diversification, 10% VUG for growth and innovation, 10% JEPI for monthly income and downside protection. With this mix, you're positioned to get the best of all worlds: value, growth, dividends, global diversification, and cash flow. You're not overly dependent on any single sector, and you've layered your risk across asset classes and geographies. In backtesting similar allocations over the past 10 years, such a portfolio has delivered average annual returns in the range of 8% to 10%, and with lower drawdowns during bear markets than an all-equity portfolio. That's the power of ETF pairing. You don't need 20 different funds. Just the right mix of 4 to 5 can give you diversification, stability, and long-term growth. And here's something else to think about. If you're regularly investing, say $500 a month, into a combo of SCHD and these 4 ETFs, and reinvesting all your dividends, you're building not just a portfolio, but a self-funding wealth machine. SCHD gives you reliability, VTI gives you broad exposure, VXUS adds global muscle, VUG supercharges growth, and JEPI delivers consistent income. Together, these are not just 4 ETFs. They're your blueprint to a simplified, yet powerful long-term investment strategy. You don't have to chase the next big thing. You don't have to time the market. You just need the right ingredients and consistency. And if you've made it this far into the video, here's your reminder. Keep it simple, stay invested, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Money Stick Unfiltered. We break it all down in plain language. No Wall Street jargon, just stickman logic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.